Hi friends, Connie here with Connie's Home Garden, and today we are going to make a ginger bug. The ingredients that you need for a ginger bug is ginger, a jar, sugar, and some water. It's super easy, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut up some ginger, add some water and some sugar and stir it up. Put a paper towel over it and then put it on the counter, and every day we're going to add a little bit of water, a little bit of ginger, and a little bit of sugar. In about 5 to 7 days it will be bubbly and fermented, and it will be ready to be our fermentation starter, which is a ginger bug. So let's get started. Okay, it's been 6 days and my ginger bug is ready. It has lots of good bubbles going on in there, and it's ready for me to make my ginger beer. Another really cool thing that you can do with a fermentation starter like this ginger bug is you can use it to ferment other things. I could use this to start a vinegar, or even wine. Some people like to make wine that's completely natural without using any yeast or other chemicals, and you can use a fermentation starter with that. You can use fruit, or you could use ginger just like this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about making a ginger bug. It's really easy and you can do it. It takes 3 to 7 days. And once I use this, I'm also going to store the rest of it in my refrigerator, and each week I'll feed it a little bit of water, ginger, and sugar to keep it alive until I need it again, and then I'll start it back over on my counter. Live well, keep the faith. Thanks for watching.